Luto tayo ng pad kapaw with Mamacita's oysters. Ang ating ingredients ay ground pork, nilaga ko na yan, pre-cook na, and onion and garlic, sitaw, and Mamacita's sulit pa oyster sauce, lettuce for our garnish, at saka itlog. Piprito natin itlog. So, olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, onions, garlic, ating ground pork, and haluin lang natin ang ating ground pork with the olive oil and ating onion and garlic. Let's add more cooking oil, about 1 tablespoon. That's olive oil. So let's cook it hanggang sa mag-iba yung kulay niya. And then, we will put our sitaw, our string beans. And ang ating sitaw, haluin na natin with the pork. The best, ito the best.
Angat sarap yan dahil sa ating Mamacita's oyster sauce. Yan ang aking secret ingredient sa aking pad kapaw. 1 tablespoon Mamacita's oyster sauce. Add natin basil leaves, haluin. Ayusin na yung ating lettuce and serve na ang ating pad kapaw with oyster sauce. Napakasarap. At prito na natin yung itlog and then itap natin dyan sa ating pad kapaw at serve with rice and enjoy with your family. Mamacita's oyster sauce is made with real oysters and all natural ingredients and spices. Kaya naman mas sarap ang ulam ng pamilya araw-araw.